Okay, hello guys. My name is Abiodun Oke, Syria Projects founder. I will be doing some countdowns to the 2-day communication workshop. The first one here that is starting here in Winnipeg. We're going to be hosting an expert in communication, effective communication, both in the workplace and for job search success. So we are hosting Gloria Pear. So Gloria Pear is an expert in communication, and she has been practicing this for about 19 years here in Canada. So you will imagine my own excitement to actually work with Gloria Pear, not only because she's an expert, but because she has also been through the journeys, that experienced foreign trained immigrants, are going through here in Canada. I'm sure if you are familiar with job search challenges here in Canada, you're probably familiar with what I'm talking about here. You have this situation where maybe recruiters are ghosting you. You're called for a phone screening, and even after that phone screening, you never hear anything back from the recruiters. Just imagine that you have so many years of experience, and despite all of that experience and your capability that you have demonstrated from your home country, you get here in the Canada, and then you're hearing some excuses that are not even reconcilable. Things like you need Canadian work experience. Forget all about that. That is just what you will call BS, because some things are really the issues that you probably have not been told. So I haven't worked with a lot of these guys, foreign trained professionals, as a coach, and also I haven't consulted a lot of different stakeholders, in this industry. I have come to a conclusion that communication challenges is one of the barriers that you're encounter. That's one of those major issues you're actually dealing with. But unfortunately, you don't get that direct feedback from the recruiters or the employers saying that you have issues with communication. But guess what? You can do something about it. You can get an expert to help you. And this is why I'm bringing Glory Pierre to Canada. She's the right coach for this because she's also gone through this same journey, and she will be able to use some of our innovative techniques, which actually I've used some of these techniques myself, in the course of the last few weeks that, I've been planning with her on having her come over here into Winnipeg. And guess what? There's a lot of difference. I haven't used this technique, and I'm sure you're gonna have the same experience when you enroll for this workshop. So I have an update. Actually, I've received the material. So for this workshop, we're gonna have this. If we're gonna have it here in Winnipeg, if you're still sitting on the bench thinking that this is not gonna happen, guess what? It's going to be happening right here, right in your face. And if you don't enroll, you're missing a lot, a lot. The reason being that this is the first one, and we are trying to see, how many people are going to enroll. And then going forward, you might have a situation where you might not be able to attend this event. I don't want that to happen. I want this event to also, I want to continue having this event here, because it will make a lot of difference for you. And so this is my countdown towards this workshop. So today being the day one, this will be the countdown to this event. And well, what I would say is this: get an expert to help you. If you have issues with communication, get an expert to help you with communication issues. If you have issues with technical skills, get an expert in that area. And this is what we are doing differently in Syria projects. Enough of us complaining, about discrimination. We can address this issue in a positive manner, and that is about continuous improvement. It's one of those key changes, this key approach that we're using, to address job search challenges. And not only that, when you actually get a job and you're in workplace already, you want to hold that job down, because if you're having issues about communication challenges at your workplace, guess what? You don't want to have those issues, because I've gone through it, and you don't want to have it because it's just going to be a situation where you cannot reconcile the fact that you have a great skill, you have experience on the job, and you're delivering great value, but it is not being recognized. That is the fact. A lot of you are going through this. Instead of just assuming that things are okay, I would advise you to address it once and for all. And that is the continuous improvement approach. We're gonna start this workshop coming Saturday, July 13th. And just also an update here, it's gonna be holding at the launch co-working space that is at 1460 Chevrolet Boulevard. That's where we're going to be hosting this event. Okay, so that's enough for a day. Thanks, and you have a great week. Okay, bye for now.